This is Talking Transportation 2.0. Today, we're talking about how to use the Trip Planner tool on the WMATA website. I'll walk you through entering your starting location and destination, adjusting time and date options, and customizing routes based on your preferences. Accessing the Trip Planner tool. First, open your web browser and go to www.wmata.com. On the home page, you'll see the Trip Planner tool on the left side or near the top of the screen. This is where we'll start planning our trip. Entering your starting point and destination. To use the Trip Planner, enter your starting location and your destination. In the box labeled From, enter your starting location. You can type in an exact address, the name of a place like Union Station, or a metro stop name. In the box labeled To, type your destination location. Just like the starting location, this could be a specific address, a well-known landmark, or a metro station name. The Trip Planner will give you step-by-step directions using metro buses, trains, or a combination of both to get you from start to finish. Customizing. Next, let's look at some additional settings to make sure the trip works with your schedule. Adjusting the time. Under More Options, you'll see a setting to adjust the time. Here you can choose between Leave At, Arrive By, Last Trip, or Earliest Trip. Leave At means you'll start your trip at the specified time. Arrive By will plan your trip so you arrive at your destination by the time you set. Last Trip finds the latest possible trip to your destination, while Earliest Trip finds the first trip available. Choosing the date and time. Next to this option, you will see drop-down menus to adjust the time. Select the hour, minute, and AM or PM. Below these options are the date drop-downs. Select the month and day. Now, let's talk about customizing your route based on walking distance and travel preferences. Other route preferences. You'll also have other settings such as preferring the fastest route or fewest transfers. You can choose these options to get either the quickest travel time or the most direct route with fewer stops and transfers. Adjusting these settings can help make your trip more efficient or comfortable, depending on what's important to you. Walking distance. Below the time and date options, you'll see a walking distance setting. This allows you to set how far you're willing to walk from the transit stop to your destination. You can select from a range like quarter mile, half mile, 3/4 mile, or 1 mile. Choose what feels most comfortable for you, especially if you prefer a route with less walking. Once you've entered all your preferences, click the Plan Trip button. Reading the trip details. You'll see a summary of your trip with a map and directions showing your route, stops, and travel times. The Trip Planner will show you step-by-step instructions like when and where to catch a bus or train, how long each segment will take, and the expected time to reach your destination. There will also be different options for you to choose from. Review the different itineraries and select the one that works best for you. If you need to modify any details about your trip, scroll to the top of the page and select Modify My Trip. Update the details, like if you want to travel only by bus, or only by rail, or if you are okay with both, the date and time, walking distance, or travel destinations or origin places. Be sure to check any notes about service changes or delays. You'll also see information on fares, which helps you prepare your Smart Trip card or payment if needed. To make sure you have your travel instructions when it is time to go, you can email the itinerary to yourself by submitting your email address in the appropriate box. Let's recap what we covered. Today, we talked about how to use WMATA's Trip Planner to enter your starting point and destination. We showed you how to select your travel time and customize preferences like walking distance or number of transfers. Easy Rider, Travel Tech Made Easy, was commissioned by Capitol Hill Village with funding from the Metropolitan Washington Council of Governments.